Folks, good morning. My name is EZRA ONDARA. I am a content creator based in the city of Nakuru. I am in town today. I am opposite Menengai High School. Folks, I have said time and time again that the real estate in Nakuru needs an upgrade. There is a lot of vast undeveloped land in Nakuru city that seriously needs major development. So today we are presenting a prime half-acre property. The frontage of this property features some shops, and the property is a corner plot served by Oginga Odinga Avenue, a 15-meter wide street and a 9-meter road, as you can see on that map. So it has been cut into 50 by 100. Okay, so you can buy it as a 50 by 100. Should you wish to buy a quarter or even half acre, well and good. So those 4 plots are on the market for sale. Besides the shops on the front, the back is just bare land. The parcels presents a great opportunity for commercial investment, so developers, investors and diaspora, tafadhali, act now. Okay? The parcels have already been beaconed. So there is one and there is another one just where that lorry is standing there. Okay, I showed it. And then of course I'll have to go straight. These are 4 parcels. 4 parcels prime for commercial. Okay, commercial development. And there is another beacon. Yeah, 4 of them. So of course the other one, I have to go through this to find where the surveyor nailed it. So it's somewhere on the corner there, right? And of course from this beacon there is another marking on the wall there. Yeah, so that beacon, this beacon, okay, this marking here aligns with the beacon, okay, on that lorry. So that side alone is 50 by 100, and of course going across, you know, to the road, you know, because these are shops. Where this wall is, those are shops, okay, with their entrances on the other side of the road. Just to give you perspective, there is a building in the completion stage just across the road, about 70 meters from this property, and we can imagine, you know, that is the kind of setup that we are hoping, you know, we can also do here, or even better. Yes, and that's me under the tree, one of the trees in this parcel, you know, just taking a shade, you know, out of the sun. So folks, a single parcel is going for 60 million Kenya shillings, and I've told you it is right here in CBD. So from here you can see the building under construction, you know, just about 70 meters, you know, across the road. Okay, just about 70 meters, but across the road. That is happening in CBD. And even this place, I mean, I'm looking, okay, from where I sit, I'm thinking of maybe a mixed-use development, you know, right here on this corner. I'm thinking a mixed-use development here, something to do with okay, you see there are shops already on the front there, so obviously you will want on the ground floor, second floor maybe, you know, to have some shops still, you know, operating, you know, some retail shops. Then maybe 2 more floors up, you know, or 3, maybe you could have some office space there. Then going up, you can do residentials, you know, some fine apartments, you know, some state-of-the-art apartments, you know, for those folks who want to live in the city. You know, there we have those folks who usually tell me, Ezra, can I find an apartment there in Nakuru, in town? I'm like, oh my goodness, where do I find one in town? So for such a clientele, you can also accommodate them in your plan. That is just my idea. I don't know what ideas you would have in case you were given this parcel of land, but I'm thinking mixed use development where you have retail, you have office block, and you have residential. You know, you have apartments, you know, maybe the next 4 floors. Okay, I'm thinking something 8th floor, you know, there. I mean, just to give this place a skyline banner, you know. Alright, so up to that point, my number is on the screen, so DM me, okay, DM or WhatsApp, and then we can take this conversation from there. So a parcel, 60 million, negotiable. So should you want the whole of it, there are just 4 parcels, well, you can do the math and you know how much you will part with.